Hey everyone, here's our math problem for today. Do you know how to find the value of this weird-looking math notation? Normally, when we have exponent, we write it as the base, and the exponent is a small number written at the upper right-hand corner of the base. But here, we have a base, and the number 3 here is written at the upper left-hand corner. We call this as Tetration. So you can pause the video first and see if you know how to find the value of this third tetration of 10. Now let's solve this problem together. Let's begin with something that we are familiar with, exponents. So when we have 10 to the third, this means we multiply the base 10 3 times. And this is equal to 10 times 10 times 10, which is equal to 1000. Notice that when 10 is raised to any exponent, this exponent 3 corresponds to the number of zeros after 1 in the expanded form of 10 to the third. So going back now to our main question, we have the third tetration of 10. This means the base 10 is to be raised to itself. Another name for this is power tower. This is a tower of power where the base is raised to itself according to whatever is the height denoted by this small number 3. In here, the height is 3, so there are 3 tens here. 10 raised to the 10th raised to the 10th. But how do we evaluate power tower? Are we going to start with the base and go all the way up to the topmost exponent, or we start with the topmost exponent and continue evaluating until we arrive at the base? The answer is we start with the uppermost exponent and go all the way down to the base. So this means we start first evaluating this exponent 10 to the 10th, which is equal to the number 10 multiplied 10 times. And this is equal to 10 billion. The shortcut is just get this number 1 followed by 10 zeros. So this means that this power tower is equal to 10 raised to 10 billion. Now, can we expand this? Theoretically, yes, it's just 1 followed by 10 billion zeros. But how big is that? For perspective, let's look at how big is our known universe. It is estimated that the known universe is approximately 10 to the 78 up to 10 to the 82nd atoms. And this is nowhere near 10 raised to 10 billion. The known universe refers to the observable universe, the part of the universe that can be observed from Earth. And that is just 10 raised to 82nd. How much more if we have 10 raised to 10 billion? And this extremely large number can be written just as the third tetration of 10. Amazing mathematics.